Welcome to our musing for this beautiful week. And we are heading into a month that's based on confidence. I am confidence. And this Sunday we're going to be talking about the courage to be you. So what is the courage to be you, your true Christ self, your true essence, to be all that you are, and the way that you are uniquely, divinely coded and embedded with particular ways that bring Christ into expression, or divine light, or love, or goddess, or whatever name or understanding you want to put to it, the warrior of light. You can have any way that you claim and know the truth of your own being. But it takes courage for us to live into our truth. Now, we know this in Unity because we've taken the stance of being willing to come and be outside of the family systems that many of us grew up in. Most of us have come from different religious backgrounds, and yet to come and take a stand when it's not popular, when we are being ourselves in such a way that it is inviting others to new ways of thinking, to new ways of being, to inviting others to question the status quo. It is truly a powerful point of reference when someone is so embodied in themselves that they are an inspiration for others. So what if you were the greatest version of yourself as an inspiration to the world? How might your life, the world, change around you? I know that for me, those that do that, they are those that I experience such a clear presence and power from. And I look forward to everything that we have the opportunity to share because it comes from such an authentic place. Well, let's explore this more together this Sunday. We're going to have a great time with that authenticity and that deep connection and the giving ourselves permission to be who we each individually truly are. God bless you. Have a great, great week, friends.